Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about does your Vivo smartphone have screencasting feature or not. Let's check in this video. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, let's open the control center and you will see here it is. You can just check it over here also, and here it is screen mirroring feature. It is screencasting feature, so it will show the device. You have to tap on it and it will connect to your device and show your phone screen to your tablet or TV, and you can just connect it. And yes, it has uh, cast. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.